Just like many other markets, you will need to provide plenty of documentation to the regulatory bodies before selling your device in Japan. Japan has 3 levels of pre-market applications depending on the device classification. Let's take a closer look. Class 1 devices do not require PMDA approval. The manufacturer only needs to file a pre-market submission. Class 2 specified control devices are subject to pre-market certification by a registered certified body. Class 2 control devices and Class 3 devices are also eligible for pre-market certification by a registered certified body. To register and market a highly controlled medical device, your MAH needs to file a pre-market approval application with the PMDA and obtain their approval. All submissions must be in Japanese. Compiling a device master file is an essential step in obtaining approval to sell a medical device in Japan. Not all classes of device require one, though. Simple Class 1 devices only need to send a pre-market submission to the PMDA. The master file must include information on safety of the device, testing reports, and clinical data. The device master file is similar to a European technical file, but contains additional information that addresses the specific labeling, packaging, and marketing authorization holder requirements. Details submitted must match the same information submitted for the associated application, as even the smallest differences can lead to delays. New devices, that is, devices which have never been introduced before by any company, and those with an undetermined level of risk require clinical trials. These can be conducted inside or outside of Japan and are submitted as part of your registration. Some of the Japanese industrial standards are unique to Japan and don't have an ISO or IEC equivalent. However, these testing standards can still be met outside of Japan. Under the PMDL, a manufacturer must prepare and update their device's package insert based on current medical literature, safety information, and data sourced from vigilance processes. Class 4 packet information must also be published on the MHLW website. In this section, we looked at 3 types of pre-market submissions. We also discussed the device master file and its contents. Finally, we briefly covered clinical trial requirements in Japan. The next section takes a look at the final steps involved in bringing your device to market in Japan.